Hey, it's Alan with Highlands Auto Detailing, and today I'm going to throw everything but the kitchen sink at Blue Collar 1 or BC1, and that way I can give you an unbiased review of this coating and how well it actually performs. And here is all the products and tools that I use to prep this surface. It is properly cleaned, decontaminated, polished, and panel prepped, so you know this coating is up to par. I am a professional ceramic coating installer out of Central Florida, and so I have plenty of experience with these coatings, and I know how they should perform and if they're good or not. I have two products today that I'm going to chemically abuse this panel with in this ceramic coating, and that is some of the superior products, best products for deep cleaning a vehicle, mainly wheels. And that is first going to be Dark Fury. That is their bug gut remover, their wheel cleaner. It's their non-acid wheel cleaner, basically. And if you guys have ever used this cleaner, you know it is tough stuff. It is like a degreaser, but also can remove a lot of things, even road film, contamination. It's a lot like a wheel acid, and so that's what we're going to start here first with. I'm not going to waste your time with a wash, because let me tell you, if a ceramic coating can't even withstand basic 10 washes, there's no point in even doing this review. So I would not even waste your time putting that video on here. So I'm going to hit this panel a few times with the Dark Fury and let you see how well this ceramic coating actually performs. I'm going to agitate it. As you can see, I let this spray sit on there for quite some time, and I'm going to continue to hit it heavily. Dark Fury in this bottle is diluted 4:1 based upon the instructions on the bottle. And so I'm going to continue to spray, agitate, rinse this product. And here soon I'm going to get up to the wheel acid, which that should take care of any crappy coating, in my opinion. If the coating is not good, I tell you right now, a wheel acid is going to destroy that coating. It is about as strong as a chemical as you're going to get on paint. Any detailer, any professional detailer that is actually needing to remove something such as water spots on your paint, they're trying to declog your current ceramic coating, they're going to reach for a really good wheel acid. And this wheel acid by Superior Products is the one I choose to use now that Meguiar's wheel brightener is officially discontinued. That is the wheel acid that I'm going to use. But as you can see, this coating is still behaving just fine. It's exactly what I want to see. If I'm going to be regularly removing bug guts from the vehicle that I'm working on, or if it's my vehicle that I have a coating on, I want to be able to use a strong cleaner like this periodically to remove various things from the paint. And it would be a shame if that cleaner ended up removing the coating from the panel. So we want to make sure that it can actually withstand the chemical abuse. And so far it's working. So we're going to step up the aggression, like I said, to the wheel acid. I'm going to hit it really heavy. Not going light here. I'm going to coat this panel as much as I possibly can. And again, this one is diluted 4:1, and that is plenty strong enough. Believe me, if you're using more than 4:1 on a panel, you're being too aggressive. So for most detailers or anybody at the house detailing their car, you would not see any more level of aggression than this when detailing. So I'm not going to do anything else but these two products, and you're going to see how well it performs with this. And let's see what we got. Beautiful hydrophobic still. This is what we want to see. Now I'm going to continue to hit it. I'm going to keep throwing the kitchen sink at this thing because I want to try to remove this coating if I can. I want you to see if it's worth the up to $100 you spend on it. And can you trust a coating by a company that doesn't only just specialize in chemicals and ceramic coating products? A lot of people out there think they have to go with these big name coating products like System X or Car Pro, all these big names. But I can tell you, they are not always the best. And I would like to show you that here. This coating actually claims, Brian actually claims that it has UV protection in it as well. And when you're in a hot place like Florida or Texas, where you get a lot of heat during the summertime, a lot of sun, you want something, a coating that actually has sun protection in it too, UV protection. You don't just want hydrophobics, you want it to actually work to protect the paint. So not only did it pass the test, but it's very user-friendly in hot, warm climates. So I highly recommend this coating to anybody looking for a very affordable